What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to another episode of NAS100 analysis today. And today we're basically going to be focusing on the hourly time frame. Okay, so we're just going to get straight to it. And before I do that, I hope you guys are having an awesome day in the markets. You know what I mean? You've been collecting a lot of pips, a lot of points, doing all that good stuff. So yeah, that's some positive energy from me to you. Alright, so now let's just get into it. So yesterday when I did the video, the main focal point was in this area over here, right? And my assessment was that because it was around this level last night when I did the video, okay, and I was like, okay, cool, there's a good chance it could push back down again. So I put my recommendations for the sell at this level, obviously TP at this level. Alright, and obviously how I had the TP set up, recommended. If you guys had followed it, you'd have lost some pips and you'd have lost some points, right? Hence why I always tell you guys to do your research, right? So today I jumped in the trade, right, and I won pretty much every single one of them. I'm in one right now because I got closed out due to a trading stop, right? And that was basically up here. So what I did in the morning, so when I got up this morning, I could see price was pushing up to around this level over here, and I thought to myself, do you know what, there's a good chance that price will possibly pull down from this level. So what I did was I put a limit sell at this level right here. So I put a limit sell right here, and my stop was quite humble. It was about 40 pips, give or take, right? So it's about 40 pips, give or take, from around this level. It went up, so this is around, say around mid-morning UK time, right? And then it started to push down, which was great. So I got it all the way down when it got to this level, okay? And then what I did was I thought, oh, it's going to keep pushing down. So I brought my trailing to about this level over here. And as you can see by these two wicks, I was then closed out. So I waited for the second wick to appear, right? So which was this one. And then on this one right here, so this last one over here, so this candle over here. So this candle over here, I then took that one on the sell. So at the moment, I'm sitting in the sell right here at this level. Okay, and I've also brought in a trailing stop around this level. So I brought in a trailing stop around this level. I'm going to show you the pricing anyway, so at least you guys have an idea as to how I did it, right? And I'm just waiting to see what happens. So at this zone right now, we're going to go into the 15-minute just to see exactly what we can expect from this zone, especially whilst I'm catching, getting some sleep, see what tomorrow might look like for me when I get up. So we're going to go into the little 15-minute. And from what I can see, when I go into the 15-minute, we have a bit of a squeeze over here, right? We have a bit of a squeeze. So in my opinion, there's a good chance that price could move against me. So price could literally move against me in the early hours of this morning. So which basically means I'll be closed out. But I'm not too sad about that. Reason being is I'm already in profit. So if I get closed out, it will just be a small amount of profit. And the aim of the game, especially when it comes to trading, is to not lose money. So all in all, today and early hours of the morning would have been a very, very, very good trading day. Not the kind of profits I like, but profitable nonetheless. So that's how it's looking. So let me get rid of these little levels over here, especially in regards to the 15. And then let me show you where I jumped on. And then we can talk about if we feel that price may be visiting these zones again. Okay, and there's a couple of things to let me know that price could actually may begin to push back up again to the upside. And I'm going to cover that with you. Okay, so my first entry for today was at this level right here, and that was mid-morning, around 10:30, give or take. Let me just see what the time was. Yeah, so around 10:30. That's when I got this trade over here. So that is 1222.46, right? Trailing stop was then moved to this level over here, at which point I was stopped out due to a wick to the upside. So that was 12.5.12. Okay, and now I've entered the trade again at this level, which is 12.052.94, and my TP is at this level. Not my TP, sorry, my trailing stop is at this level, 12.027.77. So that is what I'm sitting on right now, and I'm hoping price is going to go lower, but in all fairness, I don't think that's what's going to happen. I actually don't think that's what's going to happen. I think price is going to begin to push up. I hope I'm wrong, because obviously I'm sitting in a trade and I want it to just keep falling, but I could be wrong and it may start to push back up. Now, reason why I say that is because of this level over here. So this level over here is an interesting one. Okay, we haven't had a close below this level, and that is what I'll be waiting for, a close below this level. If you don't get a close below this level and it starts to push back up, then it is fair to assume that price may be pushing back up again. Price may be pushing back up again to complete this structure. And for me to show you the structure, I'm going to need to go to a day. So let's do that. Go into a day. Actually, I think a 4 hour will be enough. Yeah, 4 hours good. Let's do that. So if I move this down to about here, so that is the zone. This is the zone that price is bouncing in and out of at the moment, and it could continue to push all the way back up to the upside again. There are a couple levels within this particular trade that may showcase that price is going to go down even further, and for that I'm going to need to go to a day. So let's go to a day and let's see if I've got these areas marked out. So this is the first level that price has broken above so far, broken below so far, this one right here, and that is 12.26.3.70. The next level of importance to us, it is one. Yep, so it's one. Actually, no, wait. We did that all wrong. It means, okay, let's get rid of that one. That's the one we want. So that is 11002.93. Okay, a rounding number. So price could go to this particular level, all right, and then the next stop from there could be this, which is 10722.58, and then we have this one over here, which is 9643.47, and it could even go even lower all the way down to this level. But for now, we're just going to focus on these main the main four that we're looking at right now, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Because the first one has already been broken. So we're just going to wait and see what price produces in the coming days, and yeah, we'll take it from there. But so far so good. I've been winning today, and I hope you have too, right? So with that said, guys, if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, sorry, and drop us a like, all right, if you found the content useful. And with that said, I will look forward to seeing you in the next video, which will be very, very soon. So for now, this is Pips and Points signing out.